Hello, my name is Pritam Pokhra, pursuing BTech from Vivekananda Institute of Technology, Jaipur. My paper title is Automatic Sun Tracking Solar Panel based on Open Loop Concept. My paper ID is IJEAS07050004. Now I will share the screen of research paper. A project report on automatic sun tracking solar panel based on open loop concept. The authors of the paper are Pritam Pokhra, Rajeshwari, and Mr. Rajkumar Yadav. This paper deals with the design and analysis of the automatic sun tracking solar panel based on open loop concept. The main objective of the project is to harness the maximum amount of sunlight from sun and converting it to electricity so that it can be easily used and transferred. This can be done by aligning the solar panel perpendicular to the sun rays so that maximum sunlight can be converted into electrical form. As this gives the maximum efficiency, the main feature of this tracker is that it is independent of intensity of the sun rays. It directly takes the coordinate of the sun according to its position and align itself according to that. As well as it gives higher efficiency, higher reliability. The advantage of this project is to provide access to an everlasting and pollution-free source of energy. This project can be used in form of decentralized generation and when connected to big battery banks, then can independently fulfill the need of local areas. There are various forms of energy which we are using in form of thermal, chemical, mechanical, electrical and etc. The most popular form of energy is electrical energy as it is easy to transfer with maximum efficiency. The demand of electrical energy is increased day by day. We are mostly generating it through conventional sources like fossil fuels, nuclear, etc. But the conventional sources are limited and creates pollution and exhausts one day. So we are shifting to non-conventional sources like wind, solar, tidal, geothermal, etc. The solar energy is the biggest form of energy. All the other form of energy depends on it only like wind is due to air currents which is due to expansion of air by solar energy only. Fossil fuels due to life cycle which also depends on solar energy. So instead of taking it indirectly, we directly convert into electrical energy by using photovoltaic cell or solar cells. But we are not able to harness that much amount of energy. Solar energy can be converted into electrical energy through solar panels. They give maximum output when rays incident on 90 degrees. But in current scenario, we are using fixed solar panel, so it is not able to give maximum output, hence the efficiency decreases. Aim of the project. The aim of the project is to harness the maximum amount of solar energy through sun. Objective of the project. The solar panel gives the best output when the solar plate is perpendicular to incident rays. So the system which will be having continuously 90 degrees with sun will be more efficient than the conventional fixed solar panel systems. Objective of project is to design and construct a system that continuously tracks sun and align itself to the perpendicular sun rays. Solar angles and geometry. The orbit of the Earth is almost circular at an average distance of 149.6 million kilometers. To find solar angles, we need to define suitable references frames. Three principal references frames are used, which are the elliptic, equatorial, and horizon reference frame. We need to find declination angle, the altitude elevation angle, solar azimuth angle, and the latitude. Types of system. There are basically two types of system. First one is the fixed system. They are fixed at some position and angle and which remain same until and unless they are changed by some person. They are simple to install. Second one is tracking. This system automatically moves according to the sun position. These are typical and complex to install but gives the better efficiency. The tracking is divided into three types. First one is active tracker. The system uses some sensors like LDRs, ambient line sensors, etc. to track the intensity. With the help of these sensors, the matrix is formed on the basis of which the solar plate rotates. Passive tracker. In this, the tracking is done by using a low boiling point compressed gas fluid that is driven to one side or other to cause the tracker to move in response to an imbalance. Now the third one is open loop tracker. This is classified into two systems. First is time based and second is altitude based or azimuth based. On the basis of axis of the rotation, they are divided into two, single axis and dual axis. The project consists of three different parts. First one is solar tower. It consists of the mechanism which rotates the solar panel and can be single axis or dual axis. The solar panels are connected in different combinations in series and parallel according to the inverter specification. The rotating mechanism is connected to motors which are controlled by control panel. The control panel comprises of PLCs, relay and supplies. Second one is battery bank. It consists of number of batteries which can be lead acid batteries or collection of battery cells. The capacity of the plant is decided by the capacity to storage energy. The number of batteries decide whether the system can be independent of other systems or need to be used with other systems. Third one is inverter. This part consists of circuit inverters. The inverters are made up of high quality of thyristors, which are robust in nature and can work continuously. Now the solar position calculator. We get coordinates of Sun by the US site of NASA according to our coordinates. The site contains NOAA solar position calculator as shown in figure. We put our coordinates, latitude and longitude, and we get the positions of the Sun according to it. Here is the block diagram describing the different types of solar tracking technologies. And this is the comparison table. Now our project pictures. As we can see, the big tower structure consists of three parts which we have discussed. In the side, right hand side, the control panel is there. This is top image of the project. Conclusions. The innovative designs of the sun tracking solar panel have increased the development of many solar thermal PV systems. It has been shown that the sun trackers can be classified into two, that is single axis and dual axis or active or passive trackers. The result represents that the altitude-based dual-axis solar tracker are more efficient. The experimental result shows that the efficiency of solar panel to generate electricity is increased by minimum 5 to 8%. This percentage increase is calculated after reducing all the energy used in the tracking system and mechanism of the project. This technique can be used in villages which are deprived of electricity, as connecting them to the national grid can be costly. So this can be used as a form of decentralized generation. This increases reliability. The fault clearing time becomes less as it is not connected to complex grid. Here are the references and the author profile. Thank you.